Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the manufacturing process of a tire. Let's discover how we transfer dry rubber into a finished tire in 5 key steps. 1. Mixing. We mix natural rubber with carbon black and chemical additives under high temperatures. The goal is to create a durable rubber compound that provides a foundation for wear resistance and grip. 2. Coloring and extruding. Steel cords are coated with the rubber, and the treat is extruded into its precious shape. This step creates a skeleton of the tire, ensuring structural strength and high-speed stability. 3. Tie building. All components, seats, sidewalls, and trees are assembled on the rotating drum. This transforms flat materials into a green tire, the pressure 3D prototype of the final product. 4. Curing. The green tire is placed in a mold under high pressure and heat. This triggers a chemical reaction that gives the rubber its elasticity and forms the final treat pattern. 5. Balance testing. Every tire is tested on high-speed machines to detect any vibration. We do this to ensure smooth, quiet ride and long-lasting performance for the end user. Okay, that's a complete process of how a tire is made. If you are interested or would like a more detailed explanation of any specific step, please feel free to add my contact info. Let's connect and exchange our insights. Thanks for watching.